Fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 11 or 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your file and click on this PC and then go to your C drive. Go ahead and click on Windows and then come down to Software Distribution. So you can just delete everything that's in here because you won't require this when your window is updated. So the next thing you want to do is open Troubleshooter, and you can do that by coming to the search bar and typing Troubleshooter. So go ahead and click on this and you'll see this Windows Update. So tap on that and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. So this will detect any Windows Update issues. So next, go ahead and restart your PC. Click on this window icon and this power button and then click on Restart. Next, open your search bar and type CMD and then click on Run as Administrator. Go ahead and type sfc /scan now and then click Enter. So this will scan your computer and then fix any problem that it finds. If this still doesn't work, hold your Window and R button at the same time and type services.msc and click OK. Scroll all the way down to Windows Update, right click on it and then click on Properties. So the service status should be running. If it's not, go ahead and click on Start and then make sure the startup type is automatic. So hold this arrow button and then select Automatic. So once you've done that, just right click on it and then you'll see this Restart button and just click on Restart. So next, come up to Background Intelligent Transfer Service and then right click on it and then click on Start. So if your start is grayed out, that means it is running. So the last thing you need to do is make sure that your Windows is updated. So this is how to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.